What up? It's TreniuS Henderson. You tuned in to the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Listen, so visualization is very, very important when it comes to using law of attraction and to get things to manifest in your life. I have become a master at visualization because I know that's the only way things manifest fast. Like if you really want things to manifest fast, or if you wonder like why haven't things been manifesting the way that you want them to, 9 times out of 10 it's because you're not visualizing properly. Okay, when it comes to visualization, man, you got to be really good at like using your imagination before you get anything. Okay, before anything comes into your life, you have it. Before you have it, you gotta already been there before to know how it feels. And we know feeling is the key to attracting anything. It's all about feeling. Even when you pray for things that you want, it's pray as though you already have them. But not only that, you gotta feel like you already have it. And that's the problem that most people have nowadays, is already feeling like they already have what they want, or already feeling like they are in a position that they want to be in, and they can't feel it. Okay, so a lot of people have a hard time like trying to get this stuff or become whatever they're trying to become because they have a hard time feeling it, you know, being in the midst of a situation they don't want to be in. So they adopt the feelings of feeling bad, feeling sad, feeling down, feeling mad, feeling upset because they don't have what they want. But if you can master feeling good when you don't have what you want, if you can master how it feels to imagine what you want, and you know exactly what you will feel like if you had it, you will become a master manifester, and you will notice like your whole life will begin to shift and your whole life will begin to change. Trust me, I do it all the time. Like even how I'm about to have millions of dollars, like millions upon millions of dollars. But you know why I'm about to have millions of dollars? Because I visualize what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do with it when I got it, like what I'm gonna feel like. I can feel it. Sometimes I'm walking down the street and I'm listening to music that's uplifting and inspiring, and I imagine myself millionaire, what my home gonna look like. You know, I imagine things I'm gonna be doing with my family members and my brothers and my sisters and stuff. Like I really be visualizing all the things that I'm gonna do when I get my millions, you know what I'm saying? And I can feel how good it makes me feel. And so when you get in the habit of being able to do this all the time, like feeling really good, it's gonna come. It's gonna come. That's the key. That's the key. Already feeling as though you already have what you want. It's the key to getting what you want. So anything that you want, always remember that like, you gotta visualize it, man. Visualize it. Visualize having it. Visualize it. Visualize it. Visualize it. You know what I'm saying? And don't be like everybody else who out here and they suffering and they miserable because they don't got what they want, because they don't know how to feel like it before they have it. It's very simple. Okay? It's very simple. Visualization is the key to manifesting anything fast. Okay? Just visualize it and be happy. Okay, like I always say, even if you broke, even if you don't got no money, other people around you shouldn't even be able to tell that you broke, because you just feel so good about being rich. Okay, like you should, if you want to be rich, right, you gotta constantly carry yourself as being rich. Like you rich, no matter where you go, no matter who you talking to, you should be a rich, vibrant person. And then that money will align up to you. It will come to you because that's how you feel about yourself. You feel rich. So you're going to align yourself up with just rich stuff. Rich people going to come to you. You're going to find yourself going to rich restaurants, whatever you want to call them, up class, upscale stuff. You just going to always be putting yourself in situations to where your feelings align up to your reality. This is how you visualize. This is how you visualize. You know what I'm saying? This is how you use visualizing at the highest degree. Okay? So if it's something out there that you're trying to manifest and you wonder why you don't got it yet, just visualize it more. Visualize it more often, and then you visualizing it and living through your imagination, it's only gonna bring it into manifestation. Trust and believe. Oh, and on top of that, not only visualizing it, but as you are visualizing the things that you're visualizing, make sure that while you are experiencing the visualizations in your imagination, make sure that you're talking all about it all the time. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna do this. Yeah, I'm gonna buy my brother a new car. Yeah, he's gonna be following behind me in his new car, and I see us doing this. We're gonna take vacation trip. While you're visualizing this stuff, get in the habit of speaking all this stuff into existence while you visualizing, talking about it, talking about how you feel, talking about what it feels like. Just get in the habit of saturating your mind with it's reality. You know what I mean? When it becomes a reality to you, then it becomes a reality in real life. Okay? That's what anything you want to manifest. Okay? It ain't you striving to become nothing or you waiting on something to happen. The universe is always waiting on us most of the time. We are the ones who are responsible with getting ourselves in alignment and in proper vibration with the things we want. We the problem. Like I said, until you become the reality or the person who you want to be, you got to become it. Step into it right now. Just step into whatever you want to be, whatever you want to do, whatever you feel you deserve, you have. It's a simple choice. Stepping into it right now and just knowing you already are that which you seek. You are already that. That should make you extremely excited right now. If you're extremely excited right now, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Thank y'all so much for tuning in to TreniuS Henderson's videos. I'm TreniuS Henderson, right? See, if I didn't step into it, I wouldn't be TreniuS Henderson, right? But anyway, I'm already at 100,000 subscribers, but I thank y'all so much for sharing videos, man. Golly. It just, man, it ain't even like, I was already at 100,000 subscribers like last year, if you ask me, man. I'm enjoying it, man. It's my birthday. Thank y'all so much. Send me some birthday gifts. Y'all know what I'm gonna do. Put the contribution link at the bottom. I mean, because you know where I'm at right now, I don't have a real like address that I'm using because I'm always moving and stuff. I'm going from different places around the United States and stuff, and so you know I'm just kind of like doing my thing right now because I got a chance to. You know what I'm saying? I got a chance to travel around and see what world is like. Finally, thank God. You know, just following my passion, has got me here. But like I said, man, I just really want to thank y'all for always tuning into my videos and watching them and stuff like that, man. I just, golly, man, 100,000, that's pretty good, right? That's pretty darn good, man. But hey, I wouldn't have worked hard, man. I wouldn't have worked hard if y'all didn't speak up, let your voice be heard, leave comments and likes and stuff below. I wouldn't have never had the energy to put out all this information. You know what I mean? But every time I see y'all, man, speaking up, like, if you're gonna talk right now, that's cool. If every time I see your comments and stuff, man, it gives me inspiration to keep on giving y'all information, so you can grow and so you can be a success, in life. That's what it's all about for me. Just making sure I see you grow. You feel me? And I don't know, man. I always been like that. I always been the type of person that's like, I always like to see other people be happy and successful. That's just how God made me, you feel me? And that's just what I like. So speak up. Let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below. I'll reply as best as I can, all right? I love y'all. Happy birthday to me. Thank you so much. I love myself. And I love you too. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.